Hi Dr. Nisha, my friend has been advised active breathing coordinator for her lung cancer. Could you please tell me what is it?
So lung tumor is a moving target. That is, along with your respiration or breathing cycle, the tumor tends to move. Imagine you are playing a dart game and your target is constantly moving. So isn't it very difficult to just hit the bullseye in that case? This same principle applies to a radiation therapy as well. One of the ways to minimize this target motion is by holding the breath or having a control on the breathing, and this is known as ABC or active breath coordinator. In ABC, you will be asked to take a deep breath and hold it for 20 seconds, and this is all assisted by a radiation technologist and an ABC machine that is attached to you. This machine has got a snorkel kind of mouthpiece that fits snugly into the patient's mouth. The nose will be clipped with the use of a nasal clip so that breathing is happening only through the mouth. Patient will be given a button to press during the breathing and also a spectacles to look into the screen of the machine to assist the active breathing. Once the patient is ready, he or she will be asked to press the button and take a deep breath. The breathing pattern is visible on the screen to the patient so that the patient can see how much of air has been taken in and when to hold and how much to hold. We usually ask our patients to hold their breath for 15 to 20 seconds as per the comfort of our patients. And we usually train our patients for 1 or 2 days so that this procedure can be done seamlessly. The whole procedure is helped out by a technologist who will be giving constant voice assistance. So the patient will be breathing normally. The patient will press the button and take a deep breath and hold it for 20 seconds. During this 20 seconds that our scan will happen, and it is during this 20 seconds that the beam of the machine will be switched on and the treatment will happen. Once the 20 seconds is done with, you will get a voice command from our technologist to start breathing normally. During this time, the beam will be switched off and the treatment will not happen. What happens during this deep breath hold is that the tumor is fixed in a particular position and it does not get to move. So the target that I was speaking before in your dart game get fixed at one place so that the machine, which knows which coordinates to treat, will treat the tumor precisely. This is very helpful in a way that we radiation oncologists are able to reduce the margin considerably, and hence we are able to reduce the normal lung that has to be treated. This is helpful in a huge way because we are able to reduce the margin in a huge way and hence reduce the normal tissue or the normal lung that has to be treated. Isn't it a win-win in that way? Some tips for our patients who are undergoing ABC. Try doing some breathing exercise at home like pranayam so that your muscles do not get tired very easily. Make sure that you are comfortable at all times, and in case you get fatigued, please let our technologist know about it. The mouthpiece should be fitted into your mouth snugly all the times so that there is no escape or wastage of air, and hence there is no wastage of effort. Lastly, if a patient is not able to do this technique properly, there are other ways that can be employed to get desirable results. Please discuss with your doctor about the available alternatives.